Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install and now click open. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click sign in later. Now you have to confirm your data sharing preferences. And now you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. And now you can set better notifications for Microsoft Edge, or you can click no thanks. And now you can use your Microsoft Edge just like any other browser. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.